So I got some bird paradise back here that really outgrown. When they get like this, they just fall over because they're not meant to be that tall. So Bill's going to trim this walkway up for me. But the bird paradise will sprout back up later. When they get like this, I like to use their branches for fence work out in the gardens. And I'll trim up all the side branches and use the sticks. But in nature, bird paradise does not get this big because it's so dry out there. I probably seen it about waist high only, but being around the house, getting rain off the buildings, they get more water, so they go straight up and then they fall over because they're not used to being tall. They're used to being short and squatty. They're a beautiful plant in the summer, and they bloom out and then quit, and then they bloom out again all through the summer. The hummingbirds, bees, and moths really like the flowers, and it's real pretty. But you can see we haven't been able to walk through this pathway, so Bill's going to take care of it for me. And I'll take the wood out in my brush pile and let it dry, and then later on use it for my gardens. It's looking a lot better.
Yeah.
If you can get through there. And I had a rope. I was stringing them up because they kept falling over. But I'm glad I had it cleaned up. Sonny's looking and says, "What's that?" Oh, they'll come back, yeah. You can't hardly kill them out. Sonny found my oryx horns. He says, "What in the world is that?"
You don't want to tangle with them, Sonny.
No.
They don't have a sense of humor.
For people that don't know, we have oryx out here, and we've seen a picture of a coyote stuck on the horns of the oryx. Someone took a picture. They're pretty tough customers.
Now, you're going to move these, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to move. If you cut them, I'll move them.
Okay, good deal.
Yeah. Yay, just one left. Well, that's going to look a lot better. And one time we had a dust devil and it knocked over the shed, and these trees caught it, so it didn't really damage it too bad. Well, no, in fact, I think it just laid everything right over on them trees. Laid it right on the ground. That
On this?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was one of them
Dust devils?
big dust devils.
Yeah.
Well, that's a mess too.
Bill's cutting up more wood for us. I'm bringing the brush over here and letting it dry, and then I'll make my sticks out of it. Well, that looks a lot better. This has always been a shady area, so what I've done is put some greenery in here and in the bird of paradise, and always just let the roof water them. I didn't have to worry about it. It used to be all dirt through here, and I wanted to brighten it up. After that rain, me and Bill just want to get outside. It's still a little muddy in places, but we're just wanting to do something instead of be in the house. So I'm going to pick up these pine cones, if I pick it up, and put them in the basket, our bucket. But Bill, he uses these for his little pot-belly wood heater. And they're still moist from the rain, but no dry. So I'm cleaning this walkway up. Put up some of my tools. I still got a little bit to put up. And I thought, well, I better pick up some pine cones and put them in the bucket. Set them out somewhere where they'll dry. And hopefully I can get quite a few of them. I think there's probably some in the chicken pen. These pine trees, they drop them in them high winds. Oh, Bill's cutting some limbs I want down here, bird paradise, and then they'll regrow this summer. Not that big though. So I gotta grab them, take them out to my mulch place, or where I put my brush. Oh, there it goes. They've really gotten long. So I come over here this morning, cleaned up my pots. Some of them got blowed down, and I picked them up. Now they're back on their pot stand. Look at all my pots. Well, I'm liking this a lot better. Got it all cleaned up. Got my tools picked up. Pine cones picked up. Trash. And we got these trays here so the chickens can jump up there, work that bed. Some of you haven't probably seen my food forest. I got one here and one here. This is my oldest one. And when we got that rain, it just flooded in there and just got everything wet. And looks good. Stuff growed up. A bunch of goji bushes I want to trim. And here's some chimes I got somebody sent to me. I love them. And here comes Bill. We got a swing. We sit out here in the summer and look at the food forest. This here is my older food forest. And I need to clean it up too. And what we do is we make these square beds here, and that way I can turn out the chickens and they can work in the summer all around these beds and eat bugs, and give them like a free range to come out here and do what they have to do, and keeping the vegetables, plants and vines safe in these little pens. So the chickens really help us. And later I'll show more about my two, well, I got 3 food forests. One in the making, and these 2, this one and the other one's doing good. So thanks for watching. I'm Out West Homestead. Bye. I gotta go get warmed up. There's Duck with his guineas. He raised them up when they was little. And I guess they think he's their daddy. They're staying warm out of the wind. And I won't turn them loose till about noon. Make sure all the hogs got fed before they come eat my chickens. So they're just waiting. Hey girls.